Good morning. Today is lesson number 8, beginning C sharp. Today we're going to learn the for loop and the FileStream classes. Okay. Um, we're going to do a string builder and then assign as a string. The for loop is right here. What this statement said is for I is automatically set to integer, and then I set to equal to 0 if I less than 10. You're gonna make I equal I plus 1 right here, the whole statement. After that, you're just gonna print the value of I, see what it look like. The same thing here, and then you're just gonna add to the placeholder 1 and 2, and that's it. And I will show you later. That's for the for loop. Okay. For the FileStream, the you create FileStream, you set FileStream fs equal new FileStream, and the location of the file you want to create it, the name of it, and the mode you should set create. Okay. And again, in any function, any classes when you create it, you can always check what the function available, right? fx, you can see that you can do close, length, read, beginning, seek, whole bunch of stuff. Okay, look, just find your time. With your time, you can take a look at that. That's what this function is. Let you see. Okay, and after that, you're gonna close it, and you're gonna set file's been created. This should be not an F. I think should be for an E. The correct one should be E, right? Because this is E, this is E. Okay, and then another one, you're gonna add it after you create it. You wanna add. You wanna write a string into a file by opening it again, right? You open again, and this mode you're gonna set append instead of create, right? And then you're gonna get this writing string into a file. This is the whole statement by create a byte encoding with the for, and then you're gonna this is how you write it, right? As you with the array integer and count, so you do 1, 2, 3, the length of it. Okay, and that's it. That's how you write a variable right here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 3 parameters here, and then after that you're just gonna close it, and you're gonna tell the user that successfully save a file. Now, after you save it, you want to read it, make sure that there's okay. This is how you create it. This is a byte. You create a new byte, and then you create a new character. After that, you can do a try catch, and this is nice. This is the good. They call try catch finally. This let you try this statement, the whole block here. If everything's successful, it's gonna be. Otherwise, you get some error, it's going to give you an exception here. Okay, so what you do the same thing. You open it, right? The file mode, you have create, append, and open. This time you can open it where the location of the file is, and you're going to seek origin, beginning, and you're going to read it, and then you're going to close it. Okay, that's it. And otherwise, it's going to give you an error. Okay. After you decode everything you want to print in here, you're going to decode it get a decoder because you want to have UTF-8 format, and then you're going to get character 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 parameters that you're passing to with this get character. Okay, and then you're just gonna print it whatever you get it. Okay, so let's see. And then after you do that, you this one here, you can read it. Okay, this is read it. There's several to do it. This is one way of reading it. This is another way of reading it. Yeah, this one here you use a byte to read it. In this one here you use a FileStream to open and read at the same time by passing the mode open and read. Okay, and after that you're just gonna read it, close it, and print it, and then you're gonna put in a placeholder and you're done. And another function here, you do the same thing. You create you use the byte, the same thing. You can open it. Actually, you create a temp file here. Okay, this is you create it, same thing. And this is how you read it and close it. And you get an error, you're gonna do that, but you give a finally. Finally, it's gonna be like that. And then you're gonna open it, same thing. And then you're gonna read to the end, and then you're gonna close it, and then you're gonna print whatever on the screen, and you're done. I know this is a long, but let's find out what this the result gonna be. Okay. Okay, the result executed. This is the for loop. For loop 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the value is gonna be like that. Okay. Now you're gonna run the FileStream. This is what you got. Okay. It's about 7 minutes, a little bit long, but hope you learned something for this one here. See you next time. Bye.